How to change text color in CapCut. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change the text color in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut. Now open your existing project and tap on text. As you can see, I have already added the text. Now in order to change the text color, tap on the text and tap on this edit icon right here. For now, you can see the fonts right here. Tap on fonts, tap on styles, and in the styles you can see here the text colors is available right here. You can change the text color from here. You can choose the red one or the orange one. You can see you have the multiple options right here. Choose the one you would like. Then you choose this one. Once you choose it, tap on this tick icon right here. As you can see, your text color has been changed successfully. You can also edit it further by styling it. You can also add effects to it like this. You can also add animations to it. And just like that, you edited the text in your CapCut. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.